In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a purchase order in QuickBooks Desktop. Now, first you want to make sure it's enabled, otherwise you won't be able to see it. So you want to go to Edit top left, and then you want to go to Preferences. In here, click on Items and Inventory here on the left, and then go to Company Preferences up top. Then here you want to check this inventory and purchase orders are active and click on OK. Now, whenever that's done, you want to navigate to the Vendors menu. So just go to Vendors up top, and then over here you have the option to create purchase orders. Okay, so just click on that, and whenever you do so, you can then select the vendor. Over here you can select your class, you can select your where you want to basically drop ship to, and of course there's a bunch of different things. And then in here you can just put in your items, you can put in different things. So I'm gonna go to item over here, put in something very simple, and as you can see, you can change quantities, rates, etc. over here as well. So I'm just gonna do like 2, for example. There we go, and you can keep on adding these, and whenever you're done, you can just click on save and close down here at the bottom right. And when you do so, that's how you make a purchase order in QuickBooks Desktop. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.